What's up, you freaking geniuses? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert negative fractions to decimals. Now this works almost exactly the same way as just positive fractions. The only difference is you have to make sure you tack on your negative symbol at the end, okay? So for example, here we have negative 3/4, right? So at first, I'm just going to ignore the negative sign. So I'm just going to convert 3/4 into a decimal. Now you do that simply by dividing, right? So 3/4 is the same thing as 3 divided by 4, or we could write it like this, right? 3 divided by 4. Okay, now we have 3 right here, right? So if you want to write any whole number as a decimal, all you have to do is add a decimal point to the end of it and put a 0 right there, okay? Now we can do this division problem. So does 4 go into 3? No. Does 4 go into 30? Yes, it does. How many times? 7 times, right? 7 times 4 is 28, and then we'll just subtract those two numbers. So 30 minus 28 is 2, right? And then we have nothing right here, so we'll add a 0 and drop it down right here. Okay, now how many times does 4 go into 20? 5 times. And then 5 times 4 is 20, so we'll subtract those right there. And then 20 minus 20 is 0, right? So we have a 0 remainder. Now, we're almost done. The last thing we have to do right here is include our decimal point right here. Okay, so since it's right here, all you have to do is bring it straight up right there. So here we have 0.75, right? But the more proper way of writing this would actually be 0.75, okay? So going back to your answer right here, 3/4 is equal to 0.75, right? But remember, our original problem is negative 3/4. So your answer would be negative 0.75. So guys, that's how you convert a negative fraction to a decimal. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. But if you still have other questions or want to see other examples, let me know in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to try and help you out. Also, there's a playlist attached at the end of the video, so if there's any other topics you need help with, definitely check those out, and I'll see you there.